Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the IELTS King. In today's video, I am going to cover the next cue card number 7, that is describe a time when you helped a child. So इस पर्टिकुलर क्यू कार्ड में आप लोग कोई आइडिया ले सकते हो, जैसे कि किसी चाइल्ड को मैंने देखा था, उसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ था एंड ही वाज क्राइंग सो आई हेल्प्ड हिम, ऐसा कोई आइडिया बोल सकते हो। या फिर आप किसी को मैथ्स में कोई प्रॉब्लम थी, साइंस में कोई प्रॉब्लम थी, तो मैंने उसको सिखाया एंड दिस इज हाउ आई हेल्प्ड हिम। यहाँ पे मैं एक रियल इंसिडेंट जो मेरे साथ अभी हुआ था, आई वेंट टू महाकुंभ और वहां पे मैंने देखा था कि एक बच्चा वहां पे ही वाज लॉस्ट एंड हाउ आई हेल्प हिम। तो उसी के रिगार्डिंग आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक, क्योंकि मैं इससे काफी अच्छे से रिलेट कर पाऊंगा। और महाकुंभ जैसी जगह पे बच्चे बहुत सारे खो जाते हैं, ऐसा जनरली होता है, तो इट वुड बी मोर रिलेटेबल। सो लेट मी स्पीक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्यू कार्ड फॉर 2 minutes एंड लेट मी गिव यू अमेजिंग आइडियाज। I would like to talk about an incident that happened during the Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj, one of the largest religious gatherings in the whole world. It was an overwhelming experience with millions of people coming together from every part of the world. But amid all these things, I came across a young boy who was lost and he was crying over there. I was one day walking near the banks of river Ganges, and when I noticed this child who seemed to be around 5 years old, he was literally frightened and calling out for his parents, and he was crying, but due to this massive crowd, he was unable to find them. I could see the panic in his eyes, so I immediately approached to him. I knelt down, I had gently asked him for his names and details about his parents. However, he was too scared to respond properly, and he was even afraid from me. I first calmed him down by offering him some water and reassuring him that we would find his parents. So he stopped crying. Then I took him to the nearest help center set up for lost and found cases. So it was there, near sector 17. Fortunately, he was wearing an identity card around his neck, which had his father's phone number. I immediately contacted his parents, who were also searching for him. Within about 30 minutes, his parents arrived at that particular health center, and the moment they saw each other, they were in tears. The boy also hugged his parents very tightly, and it was kind of an emotional reunion. Seeing the joy and relief on their faces made me feel deeply satisfied and grateful. It was a heartwarming experience, and I realized how important it is to stay alert and help others in need, especially in such large gatherings. Overall, this incident taught me that a small act of kindness can make a huge difference, and I was glad that I was part of it. So guys, I hope आपको ये स्टोरी अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको इसमें महाकुंभ वाला एलिमेंट नहीं डालना है, तो आप बोल सकते हो कि मैं जिस सिटी में रहता हूँ वहां पे एक फेयर हुआ था, फेयर ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था, वहां पे ये चीज हुई थी, या कोई भी एक गैदरिंग था, कोई मैरिज फंक्शन था, जहां पे ये पूरी घटना हुई और आपने एक बच्चे को कैसे हेल्प करी। थोड़ा बहुत अपने हिसाब से आप इसमें changes कर दीजिए, and you'll be ready with an amazing idea to speak about on this topic. So I hope you liked it. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe it, and share this video with all your friends. Also, you can comment down any problems that you have been facing related to speaking, so I'll try to cover those particular issues in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.